Welcome to this helpful guide that will show you how to enable low data mode on your iPhone with the latest iOS 17 operating system. Low data mode is a useful feature that allows you to control data consumption on your iPhone, giving you better control over your internet usage and assisting in data savings. In today's world, where we are often connected to the internet through mobile data, this feature can be of great help in managing your data needs and reducing costs. The first step is to open the settings on your phone. Then click on the fourth option, Mobile Service. For some of you, it might be cellular or something similar, but just make sure to open the mobile data settings. After that, a new page with various options will appear. We need the second option, Mobile Data Options, so click on it. Now you will see the second option, Low Data Mode. Enable it by clicking the switch here. This will reduce mobile data usage by stopping automatic updates and other background tasks that require an active internet connection. This option is useful if you are on a limited data plan and want to save some mobile data. We hope we've helped you reduce mobile data usage. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.